beautiful people, it's Rakita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the FICO 10. I know you guys probably seen plenty of videos about the FICO 10, but I want to talk to you guys about it. And when I say talk to you guys about it, I really just want to talk to you guys about like the My Jewelers Club, the New Coast Direct, the Kickoff, all these secondary accounts. So you may have heard a lot of people say, well, I'm not going to get those secondary accounts because with the FICO 10, they're not going to account these accounts. And if I have them on my credit report, it's going to drop the credit score. But I want to tell you this. They're not using that right now for people to buy a home. And if you do the Kickoff account, or if you get the self-lender, if you get these different type of accounts, then it's still going to help boost your credit score. And people is buying homes with this type of account. So if you messed up your credit to the point where nobody really want to give you a loan, and be honest with yourself, if you mess it up to the point where no one wants to give you a loan, then you probably have to start at the bottom and when I say the bottom, you probably have to start off with the Kickoff. You probably have to start off with the self-lender. So don't be ashamed if you're not able to get a loan. Just understand that you can start off with these small accounts and get a loan. Don't think, oh, I'm not going to get these accounts. Start off with these small accounts, and then you'll be able to get the accounts that have the higher limits and with regular banks and credit unions. But if you have to start with these accounts, don't feel ashamed, and don't just keep watching all these different videos that's just hyping you up that it's over for you. It's not over for you. You only need a 580 credit score to really buy a house. And I always tell people have a 640 credit score, but you can have that by just making sure that you have 4 credit cards, that you're paying on time, you keep the balance low, you have 1 installment account on your credit reports, and you make sure you remove all the negative items. So don't think that it's going to be hard for you to buy a home. Now, if you need help with your credit, you need help trying to get approved for a mortgage, don't forget, I'm a licensed broker, so if you need help, call or text me. My phone number is 833-RAKITA, but don't get discouraged. Don't get scared. A lot of these different scoring models is not even out yet, or if they're out yet, they're not using them so that you guys can still use the old scoring models that will allow you to have these different accounts. But if you ever have any questions, call or text me. I'm always here for you guys. The exclusive membership is the credit membership is down below, and then I also have my home buying program that's down below. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Get these accounts, don't get discouraged, and keep your head up.